Welcome to your Maths Online class. Today we are going to discuss the consistency of a linear equation and how to solve or how to find the solution of linear equations by substitution method. Okay, so these two topics we are discussing in this section. So listen, consist or inconsistent. Consistent means the value of x exists, the value of x and y exist. Inconsistent means there is no value for x and y. Clear? So just to compare the coefficients, what is a1 divided by a2? So a1 is coefficient of x 2 divided by, here coefficient of x is 4. Then by simplification, in 2 and 4 you can cancel 2. 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2. What is b1 divided by b2? b1 divided by b2, b is coefficient of y. Here coefficient of y is 3, here coefficient of y is 6. In 3 and 6 you can cancel 3, 1 divided by 2. What about c1 divided by c2? c1 is constant. So here 9 divided by 18. In 9 and 18 you can cancel 9, 1, 2. So 1 by 2. In these three cases all the answers are equal. That means a1 divided by a2 equal to b1 divided by b2 equal to c1 divided by c2. So how many solution? Infinite many solution. So infinity solution. So the value of x exists. So consistent. So the answer is consistent. So next, second question, find a1 divided by a2, b1 divided by b2 and c1 divided by c2. What is a1 divided by a2? Here the coefficient of x is 1, 1 divided by 3. Next, minus 2 divided by 4. In 2 and 4 you can cancel 2, so that is minus 1 by 2. Next is c1 divided by c2, constant. What is constant here? 0 divided by 20. What is the answer? 0. So here three answers are different. So a1 divided by a2 not equal to b1 divided by b2 not equal to c1 divided by c2. So how many solutions? So it has only one solution. Clear? Only one solution, unique solution. So the value of x and y exists. So consistent. Clear? Here a1 divided by a2 not equal to b1 divided by b2 not equal to c1 divided by c2. So the value of x and y only one solution. Here only one solution, unique solution. So therefore the value of x and y exists. That is exist means consistent. Clear? So here what is a1 divided by a2? Ratio of x 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2. Next, b1 divided by b2, that is 2 divided by 4. In 2 and 4 you can cancel 2, that is 1 by 2. Next, c1 divided by c2, that is minus 4 divided by minus 12. In 4 and 12 you can cancel 4, that is 1 by 3. Here a1 divided by a2 equal to b1 divided by b2 not equal to c1 divided by c2. That means for x and y there is no solution, inconsistent. This is inconsistent. Value of x and y does not exist. Clear? So next our topic is how to find the solution of linear equation by substitution method. In the previous class we already discussed the solution of linear equation by solving graphical method. What is graphical method? Listen. Given two equation x plus 3y equal to 9 to x plus y equal to 8. We have to find the solution of these two linear equation by graphical method. What is step? X plus 3y equal to 9. Just to draw a box like this, x, y, substitute the value of x equals 0, When x equal to 0, 3y equal to 9, then y equal to 3. Then substitute the value of y equal to 0, then x equal to 9. Next, 2x plus y equal to 8. X, y, 0, 8, 0, 4. Then draw a graph on x-axis up to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On y-axis up to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First point is 0, 3, 0, 3 here, 9, 0 here. Then connect these 2 points and write its equation on the line x plus 3y equal to 9. Second equation 0, 8 here, 4, 0 here. Then join these 2 points. Its equation is 2x plus y is equal to 8. Then this intersecting point is its solution. So here, what is the value of x? That is 3. What is the value of y? That is 2. So the intersecting point is its a solution. This is the graphical method of solving 2 linear equations. Ready? This method we already discussed in the previous video. Next, second method is by substitution method. Okay, how to do this question by substitution method? Listen. How to find the solution of these 2 equations by substitution method? Listen. To solve 2 linear equations by substitution method, just to find x or y. Just find x equal to or y equal to from any equation, first equation or second equation. Is any equation x itself? Yes, here. Can you find x from here? Yes, what is x? X equal, this is first equation, this is second equation. What is x here? X equal to 9 minus 3y. Find first step. What is first step? Step 1. Find x or y from any equation. So just to find x equal to 9 minus 3y. Then step 2. What is our method? Substitution method. So just to substitute this x in the next equation. We got this x from first equation, then that x substitute in the second equation, not substitute in the first equation. Okay, we get x equal to 9 minus 3y from first equation, then x equal to 9 minus 3y substitute in the second equation. Okay, then what is the answer? Just substitute here. 2 into, in the place of x, 9 minus 3y, 9 minus 3y plus y equal to 8. Then simplify. Open the bracket, distribute it log. 2 into 9, 18 minus 2 into 3, 6y plus y equal to 8. What is minus 6y plus y? That is minus 5y. So 18 minus 5y equal to 8. Then minus 5y equal to 8 minus 18. 8 minus 18. So minus 5y equal to minus 10. What is y? Y equal to minus 10 divided by minus 8. Sorry, minus 5. Then negative, negative, positive. 10 divided by 5, 2. So you got y equal to 2. Next, we have to find the value of x. How to find the value of x? Substitute y equal to 2. Substitute in equation 1 or 2. You can substitute any equation. So substitute 1 or 2. Substituting in the equation 1 or 2, no problem. So I am substituting the value of y equal to 2 in equation 1. So x plus 3 into y, value of y is 2 equal to 9, x plus 6 equal to 9, then x equal to 9 minus 6, x equal to 3. Ready? Therefore, the value of x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Ready? How to check this x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is correct answer? Just substitute in this equation and verify. Just substitute here. What is the value of x? 3. 3 plus 3 into y. What is y? 2. What is the answer? 3 plus 3 into 2, 6. That is 9. Correct? 9. This is the method of verification. Okay. Then substitute here. 2 into, what is the value of x? 3 plus y. What is y? 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Correct. So, the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 2. That is, answer is correct. Clear? So, next question is solve the linear equation by substitution method. So, just to find x or y from any equation. This is first equation. This is second equation. Here x itself. So, find x from here. What is x? X equal to 5 minus 2y. Then substitute in which equation? We got x from second equation. Then that x substitute in the first equation. Substitute the value of x in first equation. So 2 into 5 minus 2y minus 3y equal to minus 4. Then just open the bracket. 2 into 5, 10 minus 2 into 2 minus 4y minus 3y equal to minus 4. Then minus 4y minus 3y minus 7y equal to minus 4 minus 10. Then y equal to minus 4 minus 10 minus 14 divided by minus 7, y equal to 2. So you got y equal to 2. How to find x? So y equal to 2. Substitute in equation 1 or 2. You can substitute any equation and substitute in the second equation. So x plus 2 into y. We know the value of y is 2 equal to 5. So x plus 4 equal to 5. Then x equal to 5 minus 4. The value of x is 1. Therefore, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. How to check this answer is correct? Just to substitute in this equation and verify. So next our question is solve the two linear equation by substitution method. First equation, this is the second equation. Is there any x itself and any y itself? No. So just to find x from any equation. So here you can find x, root 3x equal to 0 plus root 8y, that is root 8y. Then x equal to root 8y divided by root 3. Okay, you got x from second equation. That x substitute in the first equation. So substitute in equation 1. So just substitute the value of x in the first equation. So root 2 into x. What is x? Root 8y divided by root 3 plus root 3y equal to 0. Then root 2 into root 8. What is the value of root 2 into root 8? That is root 16. Root 16. We know the value of root 16. What is the value of root 16? 4. So here 4. 4y divided by root 3 plus root 3y equal to 0. Then next cross multiplication. 4y into y, 4y into 1, 4y plus root 3 into root 3, root 9. What is the value of root 9? That is 3. Y divided by root 3 equal to 0. What is 4y plus 3y? That is 7y divided by root 3 equal to 0. Then what is the value? 7y equal to root 3 into 0, 0. Then y equal to 0 divided by 7. So y equal to 0. So you got the value of y is 0. How to find the value of x? So just to substitute the value of y in any equation, y equal to 0, substitute in equation 1 or 2. You can substitute anywhere. So I am substituting the first equation. So root 2x plus root 3 into y, root 3 into 0, that is 0, equal to 0. So root 2x equal to 0. Then what is the value of x? X equal to 0 divided by root 2, x equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. How to verify this answer is correct? Just to substitute these values in the equation. So just substitute here root 2 into 0, 0 plus root 3 into 0. So 0 plus 0, answer 0. Here when substitute here, root 3 into 0, 0 minus root 8 into 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. So answer is correct. Clear. So next our question is solve this two linear equation by substitution method. So the first equation, here second equation, here s and t, not x and y. So just to find the value of s or t. So in this first question you can find s. What is the value of s? S equal to 3 plus t. So you got s in terms of t, then that is substitute in which equation? Equation 2, because we got s from first equation, then that equation substitute in the second equation. Clear? So this is substitute here. So what is s? 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. Then simplify. How to simplify? By cross multiplication. 2 into 3 plus t. So 2 into 3, 6 plus 2 into t, 2t plus 3 into t, 3t, all divided by 3 into 2, 6, here equal to 6. Then what is 2t plus 3t? 5t. So 6 plus 5t divided by 6 equal to 6. Then simplification. 6 plus 5t equal to 6 into 6. What is 6 into 6? 36. Then 5t equal to 36 minus 6. What is the answer? 30. Then t equal to 30 divided by 5. What is 30 divided by 5? That is 6. So you got t equal to 6. Then how to find the value of s? By substituting t equal to 6, substitute in equation 1 or 2. You can substitute in 1 or 2, no problem. So first equation is very simple equation. So substitute in the first equation, s minus what is t? 6 equal to 3. Then s equal to 3 plus 6, 9. Therefore s equal to 9 and t equal to 6. Very simple. How to verify this answer is correct? Just to substitute in the equation and verify. Clear? So 9, 6. So just to substitute here 9, here 6. 9 minus 6, 3. Correct. Here 9 divided by 3, 3 plus 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So s equal to 9 and t equal to 6 is correct answer. Okay. So our next question is last question. 3x divided by 2 minus 5y divided by 3 equal to minus 2 and x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 13 divided by 6. These two linear equation we have to find the solution of these two linear equation by substitution method. So in this question these equations are very complicated. Okay, divide by 2, divide by 3. How to cancel divide by 2 and divide by 3? Just multiply the LCM of 2 and 3. In this equation, just multiply its LCM of 2 and 3 for cutting 2 and 3. Clear? Okay, so here 3x divided by 2 minus 5y divided by 3 equal to minus 2 multiplied by first equation multiplied by LCM of 2 and 3. Ready? What is LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So 6. Ready? So just multiply by 6. So 3x divided by 2 into 6. What is the answer? 2 in 6 how many times? 3 times. So 3 into 3 9x minus here into 6 here into 6. 3 in 6 2 times, so 10y equal to 2 minus 2 into 6 minus 12. Ready? In second equation here 3 here 2. What is LCM of 3 and 2? Second equation multiplied by 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 3 in 6 2 times, so answer is 2x. Here 3 times 3y, 6 cancel, so 13. You got another two linear equation, first second here third equation here fourth equation. Then simplify these two equations. Can you find x? Yes, you can find from here or third equation or fourth equation. In fourth equation what is the value of x? So 2x equal to 13 minus 3y, x equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Ready? Then the value of x substitute in the which equation? Fourth or third? Third equation. Substituted in third equation. Ready? So here 9 into what is x? 13 minus 3y divided by 2 minus 10y equal to minus 12. This is simplify. So 9 into 13, 3 into 9, 27, balance 2, 9, 117 minus 3 into 9, 27y divided by 2 minus 10y equal to minus 12. Just to cross multiply. 117 minus 27y minus 20y all divided by 2 equal to minus 12. What is the answer? 117 minus 47y divided by 2 minus 24 divided by 2 goes other side, so minus 12 into 2 is minus 24, then minus 47y equal to minus 24 minus 117. So what is y? Y equal to minus 141 minus 141. Ready? Sorry. Minus 141 divided by minus 47. Positive 141 divided by 47. 7 1 3 times 7 is 1, so 3. So you got y equal to 3. Now how to find x? Y equal to 3. Substitute in the any equation, first equation, second, third, any equation. So I am substituting the fourth equation. Y equal to 3. Substitute in equation 1, 2, 3, 4. You can substitute any equation. I am substituting in the fourth equation. So 2x plus 3 into y, 3 into 3, 9 equal to 13. So what is the answer? 2x equal to 13 minus 9, that is 4. Then x equal to 4 divided by 2, 2. Therefore x equal to 2, x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Ready?